Hey, Pusinut, new little video, and this one is for contest. It's for the Equip to Endure March contest, and you have to make like a little kit. And I thought I would kind of give a twist to mine, and because I see everybody kind of going to the same store, and so my little twist is that since everybody is going to go to the dollar store or Walmart or all those, I'm wondering what can I find to uh, different places. And so I'll show you two stores that I'm going to try that, and I'm still going to spend the same amount of money, which I think is a $20 limit. And so I'm going to buy at two different places, the $20 limit, and see what I come out with. So the first place I'm going to show you. So let's see what we can find for $20 that could help us for survivals at Staples. Okay, and the second stop will be gas stop versus convenience store, because if we'll be on the run or something, they're all over the place and stuff, and you would probably need gas to stop. And if you didn't have like your bug bag or whatever, see what I could find out here. So let's go see. Okay, so this experience was kind of interesting. So we'll show you the first one. Came to about $22 with the taxes and stuff, so about $20 of gear, but with the taxes and stuff, so it's about $22. And this was I was able to get. So there was a special on alcohol, and so obviously I can use this for cleaning hands, fire starters, and different uses. Probably, you know, generate a stove and things like that. So I got about it was it was six, so it was $6. And then I got some water bottles. This as well can use as a container. I got water in there. I can disinfect my water as well, because well, not this water, obviously this one is disinfected, but I can use the bottle after that. And I got again 6 of them. For knife, that's pretty much the best thing I found. So it's a utility cutter, and will be interesting to see if there's anything I can do with this. For cordage, I was able to find some braiding cord, so hopefully we'll see if that helps anything. And I thought I would try a little experiment. So this was like $1, and so it is metal on there, but obviously those boxes here over here, it's kind of cardboard. But I'm wondering if able to direct the flame only here, if you'd still be able to, you know, do something with that. So anyway, I thought it would be an interesting. And obviously I got 3 bags with this. Those as well, it can be used and everything. And so I'll put other image of my little trip that I did. And what I've figured out is that obviously with the $20, as you can see, I couldn't even find a lighter over there, so no source of fire. But interestingly enough, there was other stuff that could be used for different purpose, but in a $20 budget, it wouldn't be, because obviously stuff are a little bit more expensive. Like I bought like for example, this box of garbage bag, which I bought just to try them and everything. I think it was like $10. So obviously, right there that would be half of the budget of the $20 thing. So, but I took a picture of things that, you know, could be interesting to try, and I will try those things. You know, try to maybe even process some wood to see if well, I mean, I bought them, so I might as well use them to try to see if I could do anything, like to process wood and everything. And again, the thing was not to make the perfect kit, but the turn that I would be is like, you know, you're on the way out of town, whatever, and everybody have, or you're in the new town, whatever, and that's the first stores you see. Could I find anything that could affect my survivability in this? And what I'm finding is that you could, and again, I'll insert some pictures of stuff that I found that could be helpful, but the thing is that you would have to have way more money than just 20 bucks. So the one lesson that I've learned from that is that on me at all time I should have about maybe 60 or 80 bucks, and so, or in my EDC or something like this, and so I could do with that, but obviously if I would have had like 60 bucks I could have bought way more. Like for example, the garbage bag would have been able to buy, and there was like other containers that I could suddenly now use in, for that. So that's one lesson of the first thing. The second one, so that's at the convenience store, and this one is quite interesting actually. $25 for that stuff. This is ridiculous, but same kind of the same thing. So basically, taking off the scissors. Was it? Yeah, no, sorry. Taking off the lighter. The lighter himself was like $5. Yeah, $5 for this. This is just ridiculous. So taking off the lighter, I mean, this would be my $20 kit. So if I had $20, this would have been. So I would have had a bag that obviously I can use for multi-purpose. I could carry my gear. I could use it as well as like to make like some, like to put my feet in, to make like waterproof stuff and everything. Again, garbage bag over here that so I have 10 of them, so I can do like shelter and things. So right there already, compared to this kit, I already have like more shelter. But my the only thing they could find that could make like a cutting tools was those scissors, which obviously is not like the best thing, but which will be interesting to compare those two together. So see which one would have been better. And probably what happened is I'm gonna break this little pin there and try to use this as like sign. So that's what we'll try. And why did I buy this? Well, I couldn't find any. That stuff is flammable. So we'll see if it helps to start fire. So I'll compare those two things together actually, and we'll see if this could affect survivability. And again, it's not like the perfect kit, and that was not the intention of what I wanted to do. My intention was I'm in a rush or whatever, like I'm just because I travel a lot, so that's why I wanted to take that turn. And something happens, whatever, and I'm separated from my bags or whatever. I got $20 on me, and I find this store, get in, pick up those items, and try to do something with them. So that's the whole purpose of it. So on this one I got a little bit better cordage. Not that it's the best thing, but that's actually that's better. There was some like a box of so this one was about $2, and a box of dental floss was like $5. $5 for dental floss. So what I'm finding is that when you're, and especially like right now I'm up north, which is a little bit more expensive stuff. What I was lucky to find, because there was a kind of garage slash, so you could take gas and stuff. And again, I'll put pictures of things that I would have maybe add up if I would have more money. But here's like, it's a fire starters. So again, I can get fire with this one, and little container of so that was about $3, and now I can boil water and have one meal at least, and I can use my can to as a little stove after. But interesting enough, this is the $20, and so I don't have the lighter. So in both kits, what seems to be is like shows kind of the importance of carrying on you at all time, kind of something to make fire. And most of the time, what I carry, so this is my daily wallet, and obviously I have different ways of starting fires. Actually, in this one I got as well is so I got those little strikers right over there, and as well as I got somewhere in there I got a Fresno lance, and so I got kind of two ways of starting fires. So that's what I will be using, because that's what would have happened. And so this it's my just to show like what I bought for the $20, and in my future videos, what I'll probably do is compare. Like now I'm looking, and it's probably what I'll compare is I'll do a comparison. So could I process woods to make fire or things to again access my survivability with those two things? Can I? Sorry about that. Could I use those two things as a fire starter? And I probably know the answer already on this one, but from those two, can I do anything with this? Like, could I even use this as a boiling container or something? So I probably could maybe put stone in there. Probably that's the first thing I'll try, because then after that I'll try to put in direct flame and see the reaction. It's gonna be at the more hilarious moment than anything. But it was just $1, so I wanted to see. But you see, like for example, that's another idea that I could have. Like I could probably maybe put water in there. I don't even know if water would soften this thing. But I could probably put stone, maybe boil water, and then I have like a cup, or I could use that as a cup. So, and it's going to be interesting to see. And obviously, those two cordage there would be kind of the difference. So, anyway, this is my take of that $20 budget. And again, it was more on you're outside somewhere, like outside your city. You don't have like all your gear or whatever happens. You got $20 on you, and the first stores you see is a Staple, or like something like this, or a convenience stores, and what would come out of that. So hopefully that was helpful for some people, and like I said, I'll do some follow-up, because now I'm interested, I'm intrigued to know about how those things would work. So I'll do future videos to see if how those things works as fire starters and things like that. So hopefully that was interesting, and I'll talk to you soon.